If you are experiencing issues upon startup related to either overheating or spontaneous shutdowns, or you are getting any heat-related errors, here are some useful troubleshooting tips. The first thing to do is to run a few diagnostic tests to determine if your PC has any hardware issues. Open Dell Support Assist and in the main page, select the Scan Hardware option and wait for the test to complete. If an error appears, contact our Dell Tech Support team immediately. If for some reason your system is not booting, then you will need to run the EPSA test. Watch our video tutorial available on this channel to learn how to access and use the Dell EPSA, the Pre-Boot System Assessment Test, to run diagnostic tests. It's a good idea to inspect the condition of your PC, both inside and out, and look for any physical damage or anything that may cause temperature increases. Verify there are no unfilled gaps in the system where a peripheral or blanking plate should be. If there are any gaps, then replace the devices or plates. This will help ensure a proper airflow. Make sure the vents are clean and that they are not obstructed when the computer is in use. If you are comfortable opening the computer, check the heatsink pipes and the blower fan for damage or wear. If the processor or system board has recently been replaced, look for the presence of thermal grease or thermal pads. If there isn't any grease or there are no pads, contact a Dell Tech Support agent for the next course of action. Updating the BIOS could be the solution your PC needs. Start your PC. When the Dell logo splash screen appears, press the F2 key to enter the BIOS. Wait a few minutes to see if your PC shuts down or overheats when it is left in BIOS mode. If it does, do not try to update the BIOS when the PC is randomly shutting down or rebooting, as this may cause damage to the system BIOS, so you should contact the Dell Tech Support agent for help. If it doesn't, check to see if you have the latest version of BIOS installed on your computer, and if not, then update it. Do this by going to dell.com/support, enter your service tag or use TTechPC, click on Drivers and Downloads, verify your operating system, and in the category field, select BIOS. Download and install the latest version, then restart your computer. If you're getting a startup error, compare to the BIOS system event log. From within BIOS, check the system event log option and look for thermal messages or fan failures. This information is not the same as contained in the PC's Event View app. If the error displayed doesn't match any of these 4 types listed, a heatsink-related error message, a fan-related error message, an air temperature error message, an alert air temperature sensor not detected error message displayed during the boot, contact the Dell Tech Support agent to assist you. If the error does match one of these, here's what to do about each one. When a heatsink-related error message is displayed, clear the system event log in BIOS, then reboot your system. If the error reoccurs, reboot again, but this time go directly into BIOS using the F2 key. Check the system event log for any other thermal messages or fan failures. If there are no related errors showing, then the problem is resolved. If you're getting the same error, then contact the Dell Tech Support agent and they will be ready to help you. For a fan-related error message, reseat all the fan power cables connected to the motherboard and thoroughly clean any dust and remove any debris on the PC's fans and fan housing area, and restart your PC. Next, check the system event log for any thermal messages or fan failures. If there is no error in the event log, then the problem is resolved. If the same error is still in the event log, then contact the Dell Tech Support agent. If you get an air temperature error message, clear the system event log in BIOS. Check for dust and other debris in the PC's fans, and remove all third-party hardware from the PC. If your PC is equipped with a video card that has its own fan, verify that its fan is spinning properly, and if it isn't, replace the video card. Next, run the EPSA Diagnostic Test. If any problems are detected, make a note of the error codes, and contact the Dell Tech Support agent and inform them of the error codes. If you get the error message, alert, air temperature sensor not detected, displayed during boot, then you need to contact the Dell Tech Support agent for further assistance. Whenever you need help or have any questions, a Dell Tech Support agent can be reached through Facebook or Twitter. Be sure to check out our other helpful tips and tutorials available on the Tech Support Dell channel and become a subscriber today. If you like this video, give it a like, and thanks for watching.